Dude is crashed out. It's been going on for about 15 minutes. Wow. We're here at Mossy Nissan. He's waiting for his car, I guess, to get service. Taking a quick power nap. Business going on. Other people waiting for their cars. Nothing is waking this guy up right now. Thought he was gonna wake up. Nope. After this nap, he's going to be ready to go the rest of the day. New Year's Eve into the new year. Not sure how he can sleep with all the business going on around. People coming in and out. Dude is crashed out. YouTube. He's calmed down a little bit. Oh, car alarm's going off. Still crashed out. Oh, here comes the snoring again. I'm gonna have to stop this at 5 minutes. We got about 30 seconds left. Come on, give me some more snoring. There we go. There it is. That's what I was looking for. Yeah. Wow. Don't know who you are, dude, but maybe you're going to be a YouTube sensation. Happy New Year, buddy. Get some rest.
Window tint, max extra dark. It's here. What are you talking about?